What's good, Gooding Squad? Welcome back to another video. Just doing an update for the final quarter, the final 3 months of the year. Want to update you guys on what you can expect from us moving forward as far as events, activations, and that type of stuff. So I'm shifting the focus a little bit. I was hoping to do Death Valley and do an expedition to Death Valley. I was never able to get out there and do a scout trip. It was just too hot, man. It was really too hot this summer. I didn't want to go in the heat. So I'm going to push that probably until next year. Not going to do any expeditions for the rest of the year. Going to kind of shift focus. We're still going to continue to do, obviously, meetups, membership meetups, open meetups. We'll have at least one, maybe open meetup, but we'll continue to have one membership meetup per month. But looking to do more community-driven events, just looking to create events that allow us as a community to interact in different ways. I do think that sometimes we get a little bit too photography focused, and we don't have events where we can just kind of gather, get to know each other, maybe more learning opportunities as well. We used to do a lot of that, and we haven't done much of that in a long time. So I want to get back to that. So I'm going to use this final portion of the year to really shift our focus towards that. We're doing a really cool event with Tupi Coffee in Midtown, where we're doing a Q&A with two professional photographers who are have worked their way up and work for some really cool companies. So an opportunity for us to get together, and there will be like an after party to that with like a little bit of drinks and food and all that cool stuff on a cool rooftop. So like I said, just a different way for us to all connect and just do something that we haven't done in a while, which is put the cameras down for a little bit and just interact with each other, you know, and build our relationships and build our network, and you know, learn as well. So that should be super cool. Doing another event with Yellow Brick Group on Broadway. It's like a low rider event with other elements to the event, like there's like live DJing, music, vendors. Just a kind of a cool way to, obviously it's an opportunity to shoot and do what we normally do, but also interact with the community in a different way, expand and build on our network. So all really cool stuff. I'm looking to continue to do more things like that, especially moving into the holidays, just creating more opportunities for us to gather, come together, have fun, celebrate, and do things outside of what we normally do, create different connections, strengthen our relationships. I think that's super important, man. Especially in photography, like we focus so much on the technical aspects of photography, but a lot of it is, especially if you're looking to become a professional photographer, or you're looking to build your business, so much of it is like networking and relationships and being able to have conversations and being able to sell yourself as well. That's super important. So that's the goal for the rest of the year, is to focus on those type of events and bringing that back into the fold and back into the community. So that's what you can expect from us, as well as, you know, normal meetups and photo meetups and that type of stuff. So yeah, really looking forward to it, especially this Tupi Coffee event that we have and the Yellow Brick event that we have as well. Those should be really cool, and you can find those information for those on our Instagram account. So be on the lookout for more cool stuff coming very soon. See you guys. Appreciate it. Peace.